everyone, hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to another video. So today is going to be the review of the Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Serum Crystal Elixir. I actually bought this when Charlotte Tilbury launched here in India, but I just wanted to put in a quick review of this product. So it comes in this really small cute bottle like this. It's a 30 ml bottle. And I just wanted to do a quick review video of this because I've been using this and I just wanted to show you guys what exactly it is. So this retails for about 7,050 on Nykaa. It's expensive serum actually. So before getting into me showing you what it actually does, I'm just going to give a quick description about the serum. So on the website of Charlotte Tilbury, it says the supercharged secret to your skin's best future. Then it says a clinically proven hydrating serum for youthful looking skin. When it comes to the product ingredients and description, it says awaken your skin's potential with the power of potent ingredients featuring Replixium for younger looking skin, golden vitamin C for a brighter looking complexion, a hydration powerhouse polyglutamic acid, a supercharged skincare ingredient that's over 4 times more hydrating than hyaluronic acid. So what makes it magic? It says immediate effects, lasting action in a single one size fits all. So this serum basically suits all skin types and it's not restricted to any type of skin type. 20% potent ingredient concentration suspended in a perfectly calibrated water-based formula. So this serum is watery and you guys will have a look at the texture of the serum when I'm going to open it and show you guys how it actually looks. So can be layered under a moisturizer and sunscreen. Results which were observed in user trial. So all the people in the trial apparently agree. So the results are about 90%. So about 90% people agree that the skin looks younger and the skin feels intensely hydrated and wrinkles appear reduced and skin looks and feels firmer. So all these basically are tested in clinical trials and they've put up these statistics on their website. And when it comes to the ingredients, like I said, it has polyglutamic acid, it has Replixium, which is wrinkle targeting and for younger looking skin. Then they have the 5 crystal complex, which is for a holistic well-being and just sort of to maintain your skin. Then they have golden vitamin C, they have niacinamide, and golden vitamin C is for brighter and even looking skin, and niacinamide improves skin tone and reduces the appearance of pores. And they also have plant adaptogen extracts, which helps in retaining the moisture and locking the moisture into your skin. Now moving on to the serum. This is the way the serum is. It's a very light and very watery. You guys can see. I'm gonna run it once more. You guys can see how it is. It's like an emulsion like texture. So it's very watery, you guys can see, but it's not that watery, but it's a bit thicker, it's a bit denser, just like 5% thicker than water. And you guys can see it's not that runny as well, since all the ingredients are just loaded into this water like suspension. So you guys can see how the texture is. I'm going to zoom into my face before applying the magic serum so you guys can see the before and after of my skin. So my skin is apparently a bit dry over here and you guys can see that there are pores as well on my nose and there are visible pores on my cheeks as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply it on my face for you guys. So it says that you need around 6 to 7 drops and just tap it into your face. So you guys can see after I applied the serum, my skin is a bit elevated, like it looks better than before. It feels instantly moisturized. And again, I'm going to zoom into my face and show you guys the difference. So you guys can see how my skin is so different over here and there's like a really lovely nice veil of moisture on my face. Even the pores which were visible over here are not visible at all. Even the pores on my nose as well are not visible. And my skin feels like instantly hydrated and it feels like very soft and supple. So it feels more plump than before, and it's just like sort of elevated my skin. You guys saw even in the close-ups as well, like when we compared it to the before and after as well. So this serum instantly elevates your skin, moisturizes it, and it sort of gives your skin a better touch. I have not been using this on a regular basis. I've just been using it before doing my makeup to just give my skin a lot of moisture and apply the foundation later on. So this is the way I use it. I either use it below a moisturizer, or I use it before applying my makeup. And so I just wanted to do a quick video and show you guys what the serum actually does. So you guys also saw that my skin was very dry before, and how it's just moisturized my skin, and it's just made my skin look so even. Even the blemishes which I have here are just, I don't feel it anymore. Like, even though the bumps were there before, but now I don't feel it anymore on my skin. So that's why I really like to use it before a foundation. And it's just like, it instantly just elevates your skin, and it makes it look a bit younger, and it just settles all the fine lines on your face. So this is something which I really liked about the serum, and I've not been using it every day, and I just wanted to make this video. And my skin is very bare right now. That's the reason you guys can see that I have like a lot of like acne spots on my face. So it's because like I've had a bit of dairy products in the past few days, so that's the reason I've got it. So apart from that, I really hope that you guys understood the motive of the video. So this is something which I really wanted to show you guys and give you a quick review about this Magic Serum Elixir. So hope you guys like the video, and I really hope that you guys understood how the serum works. And if you're thinking of buying this and using it as an everyday product, I think you should go ahead with this, because I have not used this every day, but you guys saw that instantly how it just works on my skin. You also saw that my skin has really good moisture on my face, and it also has a good even base, which makes your skin look much better and makes your skin look wrinkle free. So if you guys are thinking of buying this serum, then I think you should go ahead with this serum. I have attached the link in the description where you can buy this. So it's available on Nykaa exclusively, so you guys can go ahead and buy it. So hope you guys like the video, and do subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram as well. I post there a lot. So hope you guys like the video, and see you guys soon.